And how do you use essential oils for maximum health? Ouch. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here, and how do you use essential oils for maximum health benefits? Well, in ancient times, people used essential oils and plant parts to improve their health and well-being. Because essential oils can be used to soothe occasional skin irritations, promote healthy digestion, support good oral health, create feelings of clear airways, and more, they have long been a popular choice for those who want to maintain good health, but naturally. Okay? As mentioned before in other videos, essential oils offer a variety of benefits, and each individual experiences essential oil use in their own way. Fortunately, the diversity of essential oils make them a helpful way to maintain health, even for those who have specific health priorities, seek diverse health benefits, or experience sensitivity. Using essential oils for health benefits has become popular because it allows you to tailor your experiences to your specific wants and needs, rather than settling for a generic solution that doesn't even address the root cause, comes with side effects, and can potentially toxify your liver and kidneys. And that doesn't sound very fun at all, but that's what a lot of people do. No judgment, but just facts and reality. Well, to end today's video, I want to talk about a product that I like to use, and that is the doTERRA Tri-Ease. So if you're going through a little seasonal discomfort from what is out there in the air, this is a tri-blend of lemon, lavender, and peppermint in a soft gel format that's easier to take and will help you with all that. All right, well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did. Share this video with somebody that would benefit from it, as well as check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I will see you in the next video.